see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. Hi, I'm going to show you the easy way to play Paint It Black by the Rolling Stones so that you can sing along. Now this song is structured intro, verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, verse 4, verse 5, and outro, however you want to end it, okay? A lot of fun to be had. I'm going to show you the easy way to play those parts, and then if you stay till the end, I'll show you what you could sound like when you put it all together. Let's start with the intro. The first thing you're going to play is this. Okay, that's the first chord, and then the second one. Now, it's up to you how you play this. Sometimes I play it like with the left hand pulsing, and just the right hand still, just holding the chord. Or you might choose to play it a bit different, like it's really up to you. So that's the intro, just those two chords. Now normally I repeat it 2 times, but you can play that as many times as you like, depending on how long you want your intro to be. Let's move on to the verse. Now the verse begins with those same chords. I see a red door and I want it painted black. We play them 2 more times. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. And then this is where it gets more fun. So we go here. 1, then hit to here. I'll show you the chords first and then sing it so you can hear how it fits to there, to here, back to the first chord. So that goes. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. Okay, and hold that a bit longer, and then we go. I have to turn my head. Okay, and then there's a new chord here. Until my darkness goes. So let's try the second part of that verse again. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. That's how the first verse goes, which means it's actually how the second, third, fourth, fifth verse all go. If you learn those parts, you can play the entire song already. The last thing I'll mention, because all of the verses are the same, you want to think about how you play those chords. So for one verse, you might choose to, I see a red door and I want it. Like I mentioned at the intro, playing it like this. Another verse, you might want to just hold those chords. Then another one, you might want to bring the dynamic right up, make it a big loud verse. So you might go, yeah. And then just have a whole lot of fun with this. So that's how all of the sections go. Now, if you found this video helpful, a thumbs up and subscribe would really allow me to continue helping you in the future. Thanks. Now, I'm going to have a jam on this song myself. I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls are by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black, with flowers in my love, but never to come back. I've seen people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door, I must have it painted black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when your whole world is black. No more will my green seagull turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh at me before the morning comes. I see your red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes.